Hey there, per parents! Just want to share our pet experience. Ever since, a lot of you already know na sobrang picky eater ni Snappy. Ang dami na naming na-try na dog food before, pero may mga times na aamuyin lang niya tapos iiwan na niya. Napakahirap talaga. Pero nung na-introduce namin ang Royal Canin Shih Tzu adult dog food, napansin talaga namin yung difference and yung overall improvement ni Snappy. Mas excited na siya tuwing mealtime. Nawala na yung pagiging picky eater niya. Tapos, naging playful and energetic din siya. What we also love about Royal Canin is that it's specifically made for adult Shih Tzus. Yung keyboard shape is designed for their short muzzle, kaya mas madali nila itong nguyain. It also helps support healthy skin and coat, plus okay din siya for their digestion. Of course, every dog is different, pero ito talaga yung nag-experience namin after switching. Meron din silang iba't ibang dog food na specially formulated based on your dog's breed and life stage. Kaya sa mga per parents dyan na super love ang kanilang per baby at may Shih Tzu like me, try nyo na rin ang Royal Canin.